Want to instantly impress someone at a meeting, a pitch, or just grabbing coffee? Let me show you how I stand out with this smart business card. This isn't just a card, it's NFC-enabled and augmented reality powered. So when I tap it on your phone, boom, my contacts, websites, and even a 3D preview of my services appear instantly. You can literally watch my intro video, maybe from my YouTube channel, just float above your screen and browse through my product gallery in augmented reality. Isn't that fantastic? Or you could even place a 3D version of your design in your space, all with no app required. Whether you are a freelancer, a business owner, or creative pro, this is the future of networking. You just don't hand out info, you show it, you wow them, you create a lasting first impression. So, if you are ready to level up your brand presence, stop handing out paper and start making digital magic, one tap at a time. Smart business cards with NFC and augmented reality, your brand one tap away.